Hello, I'm Bill Donnelly from SAPPHIRE Technology. SAPPHIRE is the exclusive global distribution partner for AMD FirePro graphics, and we're here at the Hannover Messe for the largest industrial fair in the world with AMD. On our booth in the Messe, we are working with several of our customer partners to demonstrate the power and versatility of AMD FirePro graphics in a range of different applications. From Tarox, we have two typical CAD workstations, one running SolidWorks and one running PTC Creo, demonstrating AMD's FirePro W8100 and AMD FirePro W7100 graphics cards.
Hello, Adam Glick with SAPPHIRE Technologies. We're here in Hannover, Germany at the Hannover Messe Expo, and we're here in the AMD FirePro booth showing a number of exciting technology demonstrations. We've had a number of our different partners. One is Tarox, a very high-end workstation integration company out of Germany. And today we have their high-end XL workstation that is configured with a FirePro W8100 professional graphics card. The software that we're running here on this particular demonstration is SolidWorks 2015. And what I'd like to show here is a couple of features that really help improve the performance and usability in a 3D CAD design workflow. This is a fairly heavy model, and you can see that the interactivity is quite good. AMD works very closely with its software partners, including Dassault and SolidWorks, to ensure that the software runs very, very well. In fact, it's certified and tested to be absolutely bulletproof when it comes to working with advanced, very large CAD files in a CAD design workflow. What we're showing here is that the FirePro graphics in this system is 100% compatible with the advanced graphics display capabilities and display modes that SolidWorks offers its users. In this case, this is a real view enabled viewport that allows the user to get a very highly detailed, realistic view of their CAD data as they design and when they're finished, really to get a good idea, a good aesthetic sense of their design. One of the features that FirePro does very, very well, the FirePro graphics card inside this workstation, is work with the new transparency mode that AMD worked with Dassault and SolidWorks on. This is a GPU accelerated feature. This is a feature that provides very accurate and realistic view inside the CAD data and allows the designer to get a much better sense of what's going on internally. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dial in a bit of transparency into this engine's crankcase cover, and what we can see here is that it begins to show the inner workings of the engine, and it's very, very smooth. Now that it's integrated and accelerated on the GPU, this really becomes a new part of the workflow that SolidWorks users can really use to speed up their designs and make sure that they're getting what they want out of their workflow. So what I'd like to do is move over to this other demo and show something else that's really neat. The next demo I'd like to talk about is another Tarox machine here. This is a mid-range workstation for most mainstream CAD, 3D CAD design workflows. And we're running Creo. This is PTC's Creo 3.0, the latest version of their 3D CAD application. And this is a little looping demo that we've loaded up. And again here, AMD worked very closely with PTC to implement a GPU accelerated transparency mode that is much, much faster, much more accurate than the previous version of this tool, which was working on the CPU, on the system level, and really couldn't access the power of a modern graphics processing unit to actually do that processing. As you can see, we have some transparency dialed in here to the tubular frame member on this motorcycle and on the gas tank there. And you get a very, very accurate representation of the internal mechanics, and the performance is absolutely outstanding. Of course, the performance on this workstation is going to be very, very good across the widest range of 3D CAD workflows. So you can be sure that, that for most of your CAD workflows, this is a very, very good combination of technology. So what we've seen here is a range of hardware and software solutions for professional CAD users. We have a high-end Tarox workstation with the FirePro W8100, and that's running SolidWorks 2015. And we have a mid-range mainstream graphics solution using another Tarox machine and the AMD FirePro 7100 for the broadest range of 3D mechanical CAD workflows. AMD FirePro professional graphics cards, available configured in your favorite workstation from your local systems integration company or workstation provider, or from SAPPHIRE Professional Graphics Solutions globally. Thank you for your time.